looking at TYS topic 8.2 on metals. So in this topic of the TYS, you are focusing on the extraction of metals, the recycling of metals, as well as iron. Okay, so let's start with your MCQ number 1. So for question 1, you're asked to pick out the pair of substances that acts as a reducing agent in a blast furnace. Okay, so what you understand by this term reducing agent means it's a substance that undergo oxidation. I have actually listed out the 3 main reactions that takes place during the extraction of iron. Okay, so if we look at the equation individually, so for the first reaction, we are looking at coke, okay, which is carbon, reacting with oxygen to form your carbon dioxide. So you can see that in this reaction itself, your carbon has actually gained oxygen. And we classify the gain of oxygen as a form of oxidation reaction. Okay, so you must have carbon as one of the option. So if I look at the list, I have option A that contains carbon as well as option B. Okay, then let's look at the remaining. Now for the second equation, you realize that your carbon dioxide forms your carbon monoxide. So when carbon dioxide forms your carbon monoxide, there's actually a loss of oxygen. However, if you look at this carbon itself, okay, this carbon actually gains oxygen to form your carbon monoxide. So again, you have a gain of oxygen in this case, where we classify the reaction as oxidation. So really pick out the carbon as one of the reducing agent in the reaction. Okay, what about the third one? So for the third one, you actually have carbon monoxide. So when you compare the chemical formula of carbon monoxide with that of carbon dioxide, you realize that again, this particular substance gains oxygen. Okay, and therefore you'll be able to tell that your carbon monoxide is also a reducing agent. So there's only 2 options where your reducing agent consists of carbon monoxide. Okay, so with this, it's quite clear. Your answer for MCQ number 1 can only be A. Okay, let's move on to question number 2. So question number 2 is about recycling, which most of you have no problem with it. Answer for this question is actually A as well. Okay, moving on to question number 3. So question number 3 asks you to pick out the statement which is not a reason for recycling. Okay, so the way they have phrased the statement in this case is slightly different from the one you have in MCQ number 2. Alright. Okay, so recycling decreases the amount of natural resources available. This statement is definitely false, because when you recycle, you are not touching any of the natural resources available, so you actually increase the amount that is present. So the answer for question 3 is actually A. Now, why is B correct? So when you carry out recycling, you decreases the amount of scrap metal accumulated in the environment, yes. So instead of throwing them away, you are actually trying to reuse it, okay, so that you can actually conserve some of the metals that's present in the scrap iron. Okay, then let's look at option C. Recycling decreases the energy content, yes, because if you are not going to extract the metal, you don't have to heat the metal and to provide the energy for the extraction process to take place. Therefore, you actually reduce the amount of energy needed. Okay, and lastly, recycling definitely will reduce the environmental damages that is caused by the mining process. Okay, then moving on to question number 4. So for MCQ number 4, you are given 4 statements that talks about the recycling of metal. So these questions require you to check which of the statement give the valid reason in favor of recycling metals. Okay, so why do we choose to recycle? Okay, so let's look at the 4 statements given. Statement 1, more energy is required to mine and extract metal than recycle it. Okay, this is definitely true, because it takes a lot more time and energy in order to extract the metal from the earth ground, and then you have to carry out the mining process. Okay, so time and money is actually involved. So this is definitely one valid reason why we choose to recycle. Now, the second reason, the recycling of metals involve transport, separation, and reprocessing. So what does this mean? So usually the unwanted metal that's collected will consist of the metal that's useful and the metal that's not useful. Okay, and before you can actually do the sorting out of all these metals, you have to transport them to a particular factory where they'll engage people to do the separation process to pick out the useful metal from the not useful one. and after which they can then reprocess those metal that can be reused. Okay, but you realize that this entire process involves a lot of cost and manpower. Therefore, this is a reason why recycling at times is not favorable. Therefore, your answer cannot include statement 2. Okay, let's look at your statement 3. Some metals are present in the Earth's crust in very small quantity. Okay, so what this tells you is the metal that is left on Earth is in finite quantity. So those that is finite in quantity, realize that if you don't conserve the use of them, by recycling it, they will run out eventually, and therefore nobody will be able to use it in the future. Okay, so statement 3 is a valid reason. And this ties in nicely with your statement 4. People in the future will need metals, yes, and that's why you need to conserve it, because if they are finite resources, eventually they run out one of these days. Okay, so your answer should comprise of statement 1, 3, and 4. So your answer is D. Alright, let's look at your MCQ number 5. The blast furnace is used for the extraction of iron from its ore. Which of the substance can be used to remove impurity from the metal ore? Okay, so the 3 main raw material added into your blast furnace is actually coke, your hematite, as well as your limestone. Okay, air is actually entering from the bottom, but it's not considered a raw material. The first 2 raw material is actually used in the extraction of iron. Okay, so leaving the last raw material, which is the one that is added to remove the acidic impurity from the blast furnace. So answer for question 5 is actually